In this year, we have faced numerous natural disasters worldwide caused by climate change.
Australia's deadly wildfires may not have reached Sydney.
Antarctica has seen its highest temperature on record at 20 degrees Celsius.
That COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
And thousands of homes destroyed.
Tens of thousands of locusts have invaded.
Hurricane Laura slammed ashore.
Death Valley reached a scorching 54.4 degrees Celsius or 130 degrees Fahrenheit on Sunday. It is the hottest temperature recorded in the world since 1913.
In this video, we will cover the spread of infectious diseases caused by global warming.
Throughout the history of mankind, we have been fighting against many diseases. However, do you know that out of 1,415 various pathogens that infect humans, 61% belongs to the zoonosis infectious diseases? Zoonosis. Zoonosis is a disease that can spread from animals to humans. When the habitats of animals and plants is destroyed due to global warming or environmental destruction, the chance of contact with humans increases due to abnormal proliferation or the departure of wildlife animals, making them more easily exposed from infectious diseases to humans.
Direct impact of global warming. This infectious disease can occur not only in living things but also environmentally. Due to global warming, melting permafrost may release zombie pathogens that have been frozen in ice for centuries, while warming temperatures will allow disease-spreading insects to roam far and wide. Threats now confined to the tropics will likely become problems at higher altitudes. Here are a few of the diseases that could thrive in the warming world.
I'm gonna talk about two diseases which could develop by global warming. First is Zika. It typically causes no symptoms or mild fever and rash in adults. However, it can be devastating when it infects pregnant women, causing miscarriage and microcephaly in unborn baby. With temperatures rising in higher latitude, diseases once confined to the tropics are now traveling far from the equator to the other regions not used to dealing with mosquito-borne diseases. Next is the cholera, which spreads through polluted water. A study presented in 2014 at the annual meeting of the American Geographical Union said that increased heat and flooding caused by climate change could mean more cholera in areas already plagued by poor sanitation.
These diseases are inevitable and will live longer than humans. The Earth's climate is changing rapidly, and the nature of these diseases will continue to evolve. As the climate continues to change and as the temperature rises, resulting in abnormal weather patterns, for example, extreme heat waves, increased rainfall, and natural disasters, we are bound to be exposed to many different types of infectious diseases. For example, higher temperatures and humid climates are the optimum state for mosquitoes to breed. Mosquitoes are known to transmit infectious diseases such as malaria and dengue. The change happens rapidly, and the human immune system might not be able to keep up, and will make it harder for us to battle with the diseases.
Climate change presents a clear and present danger to human health. Hence, infectious diseases that are affected by climate change, such as zoonosis like Ebola and dengue fever. The best way to prevent infectious diseases is to avoid areas of known outbreaks, avoid bushmeat, and to be hygienic. Moreover, immunizations can drastically reduce your chances of contracting many diseases. Another way to prevent infectious diseases caused by climate change is to get clean from food preparations and disinfect the hot zone in your residence. Lastly, do not share your personal items and avoid sharing drinking glasses and dining utensils.